Welcome back friends, and in this video I'm going to explain you how to fix Google Play Store. This Google Play Store keeps stopping or crashing on Android phone. You are getting message, unfortunately Google Play Store has stopped. If you are getting this error continuously in your phone, then this video is for you. Play Store on Android phone is the source of all applications. You are downloading all the apps from Google Play Store, and if it is not working, this is the real problem with you. So before trying the fixes which I am going to tell you, please know why Google Play Store is not working on your phone. There are many reasons why Google Play Store is stopping. The first and most primary cause is insufficient storage space. If your Android phone has insufficient storage space and you are trying to downloading or update apps, it may cause Google Play Store not working. If your soft version is too low and you are running on older version of Android operating system, this may also cause Google Play Store to crash. There may be cache corruption. There are temporary data in cache, and if the data is corrected, that may cause the Play Store not working properly. Poor network connection is also one of the cause of crashing of Google Play Store. So to fix this, I am going to tell you 5-6 methods you need to try before seeking professional help. The very first thing is check the internet connections. Mobile data is on and you have working internet connection. Just try to go to the Google, and here try to search anything, hi or anything, and if it is working, then your internet is working. If your internet is working, then go to the, and even then you are getting the problem, then the next is check the storage space. How? This is Samsung mobile. Go to the setting and here you can search storage. Battery and device care, here you go, storage, and here you can see 70% used. In your mobile, what is the data? If it is more than 90% used, you may get problem. So clean up the storage space. Then if you have opened Google Play Store, just close it, close all apps, and then try to open the Play Store. It should work, but if it is not working, then try to clear the cache of Google Play Store. How? Just keep it long pressed, press on the eye icon here, go to the storage, and from here clear data, clear cache. You can do both, nothing will happen. And after that, try to download app from Google Play Store, try to open it, it should work. But if it is not working, then restart your Android phone. Just press the power button, not this, not like this, just for some time keep it pressed and then power off, and then, or you can tap here restart also, it will restart, and after that try. If it is working, then okay, otherwise uninstall Play Store. From here just remove it, uninstall it, and after that try to reinstall the Google Play Store. Updates. So if after doing all the things you are facing the problem, just try to open the setting, go to the software update, and try to download the latest software in your phone, and after that restart your mobile and try to download that app from Google Play Store. It should work. After doing all the activities which I have told you in this video, if it is not working at all, then please restore the factory settings. How? Go to the setting, search for reset, or you can go directly to, in Samsung mobile, go to general management, and in general management you will find reset, and here factory data reset. But please note that all your data will go. So Be careful. If you have all the data backed up and you know how to restore that, then only do this factory data reset. After doing this factory data reset, if your problem is solved, then it is okay. Reload your data and use it. But if it is not working, then please go to authorized service center for seeking professional help. This is all what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.